These are raw eggs. Eggs will crack on the sides, but not on top and bottom. You might not believe me. Home yourselves and then try to challenge your adult parents or guardians. Now, brothers, don't do it until I say go. Now, for those watching, is this a very naughty prank of me to play on my brothers that the eggs will splatter all over them? Or is it a very true thing that we'll be teaching them? Now, on my mark, go! You see, this is not a naughty prank. From the top and bottom, an egg will never break. It has a tremendous strength upright. And this is why eggs will not break if you squeeze them. Standing upright, an egg has a tremendous strength. That is why, if you push with all of your force on top and bottom, it will not break. And this is why, well, even if a grown-up tries, it still won't work. The egg probably always lands on the side. That's why it breaks when it hits the ground, when you drop it or something. But if you push it like this, all your strength, it won't work. Ugh.